Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable LED flash for alerts on your headphones Powerbeats Pro is using your iOS device. You have to start by open settings, then click on your headphones. Now scroll down and click on accessibility. Now click on iPhone audio and visual settings. And right here, scroll down. And we have in the last line LED flash for alerts. So click on it, and you can click on the first line to enable it, and also you can enable it to flash it while unlocked or in silent mode, or disable it if you want to. It's up to you. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.